lovely to see you, lovely. And we're back here at the brand new Gundam Base here in London. And it's not like the last one that was a pop-up. This is permanently here. So yes, we're here actually on the second day of opening. Bandai actually did kindly invite me to the press event, but sadly it was first thing in the morning and I work really early, so sadly I could not make it over. Then I heard there were 4-hour lines once I got out of work. I decided as I get up so early for work, I'd come in after work and brave the big line afterwards. And I'm really happy to say actually there are no lines, everyone can get in. So cameraman actually is here, but he's going to do a little bit of cameraman. He is here more casually, and we're going to take a look around the new permanent Gundam Base London. And here is a look at the exclusive products. Even though I noticed some of them aren't on this list, but so far only these two are sold out. Yeah, I was told when the pop-up opened, of course we were lucky enough to do the press night the night before, I told practically everything sold out in the last day, so this is way better. So as the store is now bigger because they've bought the store next to it, or I guess got the lease to the store next to it, they have more displays. So they've got this lovely display here. I noticed that they're all from different series. I think it's the main Gundam from each series. We got Wing here. Of course, a lot of English viewers are going to know Wing. That's nice. They got Unicorn. They got O's. I remember when people went nuts for O's for 2 minutes back in 2010. And we got X. We got the originals. We got Iron Brother, the Orphans. We got Witch from Mercury. We got Seed Freedom. Of course, everyone knows Seed is my favourite gun. Let's have a look at the exclusives. They actually do have the prices. These are the ones I was actually looking at because they're clear colour. Oh cool, they got the SD Gundam Base colours. Of course I already have that. I think I have both of these. I think it is just 2 exclusives per person, which I think is good. There's a reason why. The pop-up was really amazing, but I did hear stories like I heard after opening day. And like I said, this is actually really cool. I don't think they even promoted this on social media. They have these, so it's really nice. So yeah, these are all exclusives because they have the logo on them. And this is really nice because I think they struggled to get them back on the shelves over here. And we even got the character models. I got a Lacquers one that I do need to build of her in the Gundam Base. This is so... It's nice to say they have the prices here. This is actually what I picked up from MCM, the Freedom. I just love this black and yellow colour grading. Now it says I think you can only get 2, so it's just really tempting to figure out what 2 I'm going to get. This is just really nice to see. There's so much stock, so people getting their chance. Yeah, no joke, in Japan, you literally have to make a reservation just to get into the Gundam Base. So it's really nice to see something here. And the fact that it's really easy accessibly. We got some of the bigger boys. Not a chance in a million years I'm going to ever be able to make these. But, oh, they have some nice stuff. They even have the Gundam Base. Try saying that fast. 3 times, of course, they got the humongous £60. Well, I was about to say $60. I think they even got a 2-pack. And I'm not sure these parts are exclusive. Okay, this is nice. I know I'm never going to be able to build it. Okay, they got a few sets like this. They got a Gundam Wing one. They got a Seed one. Wow. But yeah, no, this is really easy to get around. I mean, there are people here, but got some models on display showing people what everything looks like once they're done. Nice to see this time they actually have a gachapon section. course, we got the cross store next door, which is always going to be your Gachapon King. And they even have everything on display. So this is a full day after. I am shocked how much is still on the shelf. You can still get card packs. I know people are going to ask that. There's a lot of people who play the card game. And oh, cute! They got. I do love the Horrobot from Cracks. And they got some more general merchandise and Cracks. And wow! Of course, they have the pre-made. They even have Char, which you can probably put in funny poses. And we have a whole Crack section, which is nice to see. Because actually, I think last time, no joke, Rebecca was only asking for one thing on the Gundam Base. She's like, oh, you got the main mecha or the main Gundam from the new series. And I think they had this one, and I was like, no. I was like, oh, do you want this one? And she was just like, nah. And they got Ariel as well. Oh, I realised this is not all Cracks, it's all up here. But it's a nice selection they got, considering before they really did struggle. What's it? They even have some of the big, I think the first time I've ever seen the bigger sets for the new series. So they have a nice selection of stock. We've got a nice selection of SD models. Of course, these are generally available everywhere. And we do have some more on display. They also have an area for stationery and stuff and workstations to help you build. They even got the mini Cracks. Oh, these are just like a Horrobot. Ah, they're like rubbers, I think, of some description. And they even don't have the nippers this time, actually. I remember, so one thing I've not seen, unless they're over here. Oh wow, they even got the exclusive Horrobots. Oh, those are tempting. Oh wow, they got a really good selection. They got the gold and the silver one. I've never seen that before. So much they've not promoted on social media. So you'll see it here. I'm really impressed with this. Like, don't get me wrong, the pop-up was really nice, but they had got some nice stuff in, but the stock would go fast. But this time, oh wow, they even got little stickers. Oh, and then a nipper, so they do have the things. They also have a diorama section. I saw a video earlier. The person who made this one, it looks so nice. It's Stonehenge. So this is the logo for the new Gundam Base, and this is what they revealed at MCM. Even got the little Lego sets here at the front. Really cute. Let's find out how much I spent. Not too bad, really not too bad. So what's my opinion now? We got a full-time Gundam Base. Bandai has definitely learned the lessons it needed to. There is so much stock. They definitely good that they got a bigger place. They did need something just a little bit bigger. Great, it shows already. Of course, day one, always going to be busy. We're on day 2 and people can just casually walk in here, no long for. I heard stories yesterday is a 4-hour wait and people, them shutting the line I think around 4 o'clock. There is so many cool sets here. Definitely something for everyone, and they have a huge variety, and it's actually really awesome. It's really awesome to see so much stuff with that, the Gundam Base exclusive. You know they really went to town on this. As I said, this is really exciting for us UK anime fans to get things like this. I mean, even a couple of years ago, we said we were going to get a Gundam Base permanently here. I think you'd say, nah, that's something that's just not going to happen. Of course, they've got a cross store next door, so this is really a great area for anime fans to come here in London. And here is everything I got. I got myself a horror tank, which actually was the last they had on display. I'm not sure that is the last one of that one, but hopefully they do have more. I mean, it's a tanky sort of like horror bot with actual arms, and as I said, I'm picking this up. I have a cool idea. I have a colour scheme I'd like to do with this. Actually, I kind of wish I picked 2 up. I could have done an anime UK Gundam. So this is the bag. They gave you like one of these, which I may wear next week for Day of the Gundam. And they given you this book to an introduction to Gundam. So I think everybody who buys anything, you spend over 50 quid, you also get the badge. So that's cool that they have all the series. Actually really nicely done thing for a freebie.